This video we are going to look at how to use MicroPython in the ESP8266 and which IDE we have to use and all. Here I am using after a research UPyCraft. UPyCraft IDE have two functionalities. You can upload the firmware and also you can do coding. So UPyCraft IDE is available in macOS and also it is available in Windows. I tried with Linux but it is not working well. I have to try it again. So I am suggesting you can use UPyCraft. So first you have to connect your nodemcu with your laptop by using a USB cable, mostly micro USB cable. Now you have to go to any of the browser and search MicroPython and go to the official website, go to the download. Here you can see so many firmware. You have to find our board, firmware for ESP8266. Click on the latest one and just download that. If you use Windows, the downloaded one will go to the download folder. You can find it. So I have already downloaded it. That's why I'm not going to download right now. Now come back to your UPyCraft. Go to the tools, serial. Okay, COM is there, board is there. Then go to the burn firmware. Choose the exact board. Make sure that erase flash is yes, because if any kind of previous firmware is there, we have to erase it. Choose the exact COM port. Then I suggest use this option, users. Choose the firmware we have downloaded. So I have downloaded previously, so I'm just choosing it. Then press OK. Now it is just erasing the previous firmwares already there in the nodemcu. Now it start burning. The new MicroPython firmware 30%, almost 50. It is very fast process. It can be done within a minute. Okay, now the firmware is uploaded to ESP8266. Now what you have to press on the reset button which is in the ESP8266. Why we are pressing this? If we remove the USB cable before pressing the reset button, the firmware will not store in the ESP8266. If you wanted to store the ESP8266 the firmware before removing the USB cable, you have to press the reset button. Now once you've done that, the firmware is already there in the ESP8266. Go to tools again, select the port, choose the exact board. Once it is done, again press the reset button in the ESP8266. Finally it's showing there is a firmware. The version is MicroPython 1.9. You may be downloaded 1.10, so that's up to you. Then I am just trying this. Some numbers Python can do mathematical calculation. So right now the MicroPython is in the ESP8266. So whatever I am doing right now in the screen, that is going to run from the ESP8266 in the MicroPython firmware. So I'm just adding two numbers and subtracting numbers. Okay, it is working fine. Then I am just going to use the print statement. Just come. That's having MicroPython itself. MicroPython. Okay. it is printed MicroPython. Now this all process is happening in the ESP8266. This is ID is just an interface, just communicating with our laptop to the ESP8266. That's it. The coding and everything is actually running. It is from the ESP8266. Thank you.